Velika Lubomujina.
Greetings and a warm welcome from Velita Lobo. Today I'm in the mood of exploring. And with a low budget, or you can say zero budget, let's see what sort of an experience we can have. Wait. I haven't yet told you where I'm going. That's because you haven't asked me. Do you want to know? Today I'm planning to explore a cute little village which is located near Kulshekar in the city of Bangalore, which also happens to be the place where I was born and brought up. Saripalla! There's this particular spot in Saripalla with scenic views. Saripalla Viewpoint or Saripalla Hills. And not just that, I've also heard that there's a hidden spot behind the viewpoint, which I'm really excited to explore. And if you want to see what that place looks like, stick around till the end of this video. So let's put on our helmets and ride off. Let's go! Here we are at Saripalla Saraswati bus stop. If you take 4B Saripalla bus, you need to get off at the last stop and walk down the road to reach here. If you come by 4 or 4D Kannagudde Saripalla bus, you need to get off at the stop after this. And if you are coming on your own, you can easily follow Google Maps. Now we start our uphill ride. I'll be providing details to the location in the description box. It should now take us 6 minutes to reach Saripalla Hills as per Google Maps. We get a left lane, keep following this road and you will reach Saripalla Hills. Saripalla is a hidden gem of nature. Despite all the infrastructural development, we are still lucky to have untouched greenery around here. And that's what this video is all about. We took 10 to 15 minutes to reach here due to the condition of the road, which is twice the time that Google Maps showed. Finally, we have reached Saripalla Hills. Come on, let's go. Push up. Once you reach the top, you need to walk towards the right to get to the viewpoint. You can actually take your vehicle along because I can see few two-wheelers parked ahead. So instead of walking, you can get your vehicle. I guess only two-wheeler, no? Now we have reached the viewpoint. The scenery looks very beautiful. Since this place is a little far from the city, we don't find modern facilities. It's in nature's rawest form, unchanged, untouched. You can come here to relax and feel peaceful. It was an adventurous ride on the mud roads. There's no public transport here, so no traffic to worry about. There's lack of seating facility, but we were cushioned by the grass and rocks. There's no shade, but the trees sheltered us. This entire experience made me feel so connected to nature. You won't be able to find basic facilities like toilets, food stalls, and drinking water here. So these are a few things you need to keep in mind before visiting this place. We got to see a lot of greenery around here. Doesn't it look like a wide green canvas laid open in front of us? It's a great place to shoot your photos or videos for any occasion. Just when I said that, something caught my eye. Them the best. When we have so much that keeps us connected to our mother nature, doesn't it become our duty to protect and preserve it? It's a humble request to be mindful and avoid littering or disposing trash in such places. Now it's the time that you and I have both been waiting for. We are now going to head to that hidden spot. Before going there, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so immediately and like and share now. I have been hinting at a hidden spot, a secret place. Now it's finally time to reveal it. It's Saripalla Falls. We set out for Saripalla Falls on our two-wheeler guided by Google Maps. The ride was smooth until the road disappeared, leaving us no choice but to continue the journey by walking. When walking in places like this, you need to look down and watch your step. As I'm doing it, I just remembered that there's a subscribe button below your screen. If you haven't clicked it yet, please do. I'll keep looking down and walk carefully. And while I do that, you take a moment to click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you never miss any of my videos. We can see the water flowing, which means Saripalla Falls is nearby. Since the water is coming from this direction, the source must be there. Let's go! My logic was wrong. The water is flowing and falling in that direction, which means the waterfall is over there. Let's go! I can hear the water falling. I'm so excited! Oh, that's the waterfall, just a few steps away. After searching, running, walking, riding, falling, we have finally made it. The effort to get here makes the small waterfall feel just as amazing as a big one. It's a seasonal waterfall as it disappears once the rain stops. But finding this place felt like a treasure hunt. It's not suitable for kids, pregnant women, the aged, or those with health issues. But if you're fit, healthy, and love nature, you should definitely visit. We just found our way out. Just look at this view! Just as we were about to leave, a localite recognized us. We asked if there was another way to get here, and he told us that there's no direct route and the place gets crowded on public holidays. To thank him for the information, I treated him with his favorite song.
कारकोळच्या फेस्ता दिसा गेलेली होत्या परबे मिसार सारको उगडास म्हाका आसा जापकेंदोले सांत लॉरेन्सा.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the journey. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care and stay safe. And for more, keep following Veritas Universe.